So we got the kiddo out here doing her first measurements of some cement board underlayment for the master bathroom. She thinks she wants to be a mason. We'll see how she does on her measurements and basic math skills. This is a custom cut. This cut will actually be, this is our measurements. This piece right here is actually going to go to the toilet flange. So we'll have to make our basic cut, go in there and measure for the toilet flange, and then start that cut. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so here we are. We're doing the underlayment for the tile. Got the flange cut. Had the kiddo do all the underlayment here. So far, so good. She's working on the last piece over here that butts up against the carpet. And it's got two little pieces that go up underneath the trim on the door here. And we'll see how she does. Stay tuned. Okay, so today we're priming the walls in the bathroom. This is their color, which was a pea yellow. That's the white primer. As you can see, we're putting that on. We're going to put it on the drywall and joint compound over here with the tub shower. We're going to do that because it's going to seal it and it's going to be mold and mildew resistant. And then we're going to go over it with a touch of color. The wife wanted a light gray, so that's what we're going to use. But just to kind of show you what we're doing here, we're brushing everything. Everything's going to be rolled and brushed. We're going to take this out eventually because that's got the lights on it. Everything is going to be primed, even behind the toilet. So this is a perfect time before you lay your tile, before you reinstall everything, to get your paint done, get everything primed and painted, and then do your final install instead of trying to paint around any furniture and stuff like that. So this is today's project, just a quick little update on how our master bathroom renovation is going. Alright, on to the next.